7 low-maintenance trees perfect for growing indoors. Growing trees indoors doesn't always have to be a hassle. You can opt for low-maintenance ones that can definitely make your home more lively without taking up too much space. Besides aesthetics, some other benefits of growing trees indoors include improved air quality, maintaining optimal humidity, reducing stress, and improving acoustics in a room. In this article, we are going to show you the best indoor trees that you can grow without any fuss. Stick around and find some that suit your style. 1. Schefflera. Schefflera, also known as the dwarf umbrella tree, is a popular indoor tree with lush, glossy leaves that grow from a central stem. It can grow tall and bushy, creating a tropical ambience in your space. Schefflera is known for its adaptability to different light levels. This dwarf tree thrives in bright, indirect light, but it can tolerate some lower light settings. It's best to keep it next to an east-facing window. Water when the top inch of soil is dry, and ensure proper drainage to prevent root rot. If you notice that the leaves have started turning yellow, then you are probably overwatering your umbrella tree. It's also relatively forgiving when it comes to occasional mist watering. 2. Dragon tree. The dragon tree is an exquisite houseplant that produces arching leaves in various shades of green, bronze, or even red. If you want to add some height into your indoor garden, then a dragon tree is the perfect option. Dragon trees are relatively low maintenance and adaptable. They can handle lower light environments, making them suitable for spaces with limited sunlight. However, it's best to keep them in bright, indirect sunlight. Let the soil dry out between watering sessions. Simply use your finger to feel the soil. If it is dry, go ahead and give your dragon some water. Regularly wipe the leaves to keep them clean and dust-free. You should also prune dead and yellow leaves to keep the tree looking nice and tidy. 3. Money tree. The money tree Pachira aquatica features unique glossy, star-like leaves that are believed to bring luck and prosperity. Their trunks can also be braided, giving the plant a distinctive appearance. This is a compact and small tree that can fit into any indoor place. It's known for its resilience and ability to thrive indoors. It can handle variations in light and temperature, and is not overly sensitive to occasional watering lapses. However, you should keep your money tree in bright, indirect sunlight if you want it to fully grow and thrive. Just like for the above-mentioned trees, you should water it once the soil dries out. 4. Erica palm. Erica palms are one of those indoor palm trees that can significantly improve your home decor. The Erica palm, also known as the butterfly palm, produces feathery, arching fronds that give your place a tropical look. Besides improving your decor, Erica palm trees can also improve your indoor air quality. These palms are generally well suited for indoor environments. Their preference for indirect light makes them adaptable to various light conditions within your home. Plus, their growth rate is relatively manageable. Since these palms originate from tropical regions, it is still important to provide them with similar growing conditions to their natural habitat. This includes keeping the temperatures warm and the soil consistently moist. Proper drainage is a must. 5. Euphorbia eritrea. If you love cactuses, then you are definitely going to love the Euphorbia eritrea, also known as the candelabra plant. This plant has thick succulent stems with a candelabra-like structure. Its unusual appearance and minimalist aesthetic make it a standout choice. These are not kid and pet-friendly plants, so make sure to put them somewhere out of their reach. These giant succulents are resilient and they thrive indoors. Their succulent nature allows them to tolerate drought. Euphorbias are usually watered once or twice a month during the summer, even less in winter. You should put your candelabra plant in bright, indirect light and soil that drains well. Avoid overwatering and ensure proper airflow to prevent excess moisture buildup. 6. Fiddle leaf fig. The fiddle leaf fig is probably the most popular tree that can be grown indoors. If you want your home to look chic and expensive, then Ficus lyrata is definitely the tree for you. This tree is famous for its large, violin-shaped leaves that create a bold and dramatic statement. You can prune it to keep a specific size and shape, but AFLF can grow up to 6 feet tall. Fiddle leaf figs should be kept in bright, indirect sunlight. Water frequently to keep the soil moist during the summer months. However, You should let the soil dry out in the colder months to avoid fiddle leaf fig root rot. 7. Artificial indoor tree. Till. The easiest trees to keep in your home are artificial ones that don't have any growing requirements. There are super realistic ones that even I can't tell the difference by simply looking at them. Artificial indoor trees require no sunlight, water, or care. They are maintenance-free and remain vibrant and lifelike with minimal effort. Plus, they come in various sizes and types, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your space. They are also a great option for spaces with low light or conditions that are not suitable for live plants. I would recommend you to invest in more expensive lifelike replicas because they look better and can last longer. Thank you for your watching.